Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shawag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make switch and socket for house wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. RCBO circuit breaker, RCCB circuit breaker, RCBO circuit breaker, light 1, light 2 and light 3, switch 1, switch 2, phase connection input to RCBO, neutral connection input to RCBO, phase connection from RCBO to connect RCCB, neutral connection from RCBO to connect RCCB, output connection from RCCB to connect RCBO, output neutral connection from RCCB to connect another RCBO circuit breakers, output connection from RCBO 1 to connect switch, another output connection from RCBO 1 to connect switch, neutral connection from RCBO 2 to connect light 3, 2 and 1, phase connection input to switch 2, output connection from switch to connect light 3, 2 and 1, earthing connection input to all light, earthing connection input to switch 1. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.